In this video, I'll guide you through how to find average engagement time in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly see how long people are really engaging with your site or app. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account and that you have access to the right Google Analytics 4 property. Then open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. This is the main entry point for all of your analytics data. If you manage multiple properties, double check in the top left corner that you've selected the GA4 property you actually want to analyze, not an old Universal Analytics view or a different account. Once your property is open, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see several sections like Home, Reports, Explore, and so on. Click on Reports. This is where you'll find the main reporting interface in GA4, and it's where we can customize what metrics appear in your standard views. After you click Reports, you'll be taken to the Reports section, and by default, you should land on the Reports Snapshot. If you're not already there, simply click on Report Snapshot in the left-hand menu under the Reports section. The Report Snapshot is a kind of overview dashboard that shows key metrics and cards about your traffic and engagement. To add average engagement time into this view, we need to customize the report layout. In the top right corner of the Report Snapshot page, look for a small pencil icon. This is the Customize Report button. Click on that pencil icon. When you do, GA4 will open a configuration panel that lets you adjust the dimensions and metrics that appear in this particular report. Inside the customization panel, you'll see different options, including a section for metrics that are currently displayed in the report. To bring in average engagement time, find and click on the Add Metric option. This tells GA4 that you want to include an additional metric in this report's configuration. A search box will appear, allowing you to look up any available metrics in GA4. In that search box, type average engagement time. As you type, Analytics will filter the list and show you the engagement-related metrics that match what you're looking for. You'll notice that you have a couple of options here. Typically, you'll see average engagement time per active user and average engagement time per session. The per active user version tells you, on average, how long each engaged user spends actively interacting with your site or app. The per session version looks at that time from the perspective of each session instead. Think of users as people and sessions as visits. Choose the version that best matches how you like to analyze behavior. If you care more about how individual people engage, pick average engagement time per active user. If you're more interested in how long each visit lasts on average, choose average engagement time per session. Once you've decided, click on the metric you want to use. This will add it to the list of metrics for the report. After it's added, make sure you save your changes in the customization panel. When you return to the report snapshot, your selected average engagement time metric will now be available in the report, ready for you to use in your ongoing analysis.